We converted this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath functional residence. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore. This 29 years old house in Banashankari had 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen and 1 bathroom. The biggest problem was 3 bedrooms using 1 bathroom and a kitchen too tight to function properly. So, we remodeled one of the bedroom. This gave a way to create an additional bathroom and to extend the kitchen. This was about the structural remodeling. Coming to the interior designs. The design language chosen was minimalistic. This includes modular kitchen, wardrobes in the bedrooms, and a TV unit. The old kitchen was small and lacked space planning. So, we extended this kitchen spatially, improved movement, and added efficient counter space in this L-shaped kitchen. It has a base unit, a overhead unit, and high volume lofts. Functionality plus form is the design mantra at Inkstone Infra. This is the master bedroom wardrobe. The storage spaces and outer finish is designed considering our client's storage requirement. The living area has a sleek TV unit on the wall that had an old showcase. This defines the purpose of space planning for the perfect placement of sofa. The kids' bedroom wardrobe needed special attention. So, we designed a wardrobe that has a combination design to its outer finish that is similar to a butterfly and functional storage on the inside. This is the new bathroom we created that has access from the kids' bedroom. We have divided the space into dry area and wet area. The old bathroom is remodeled to a new bathroom with added functional layout. The highlight of this load-bearing house renovation is creation of utility area by extending the slab. Take a look. Last but not the least, the aesthetics. A wallpaper that complements the minimalistic interior design theme is added behind the sofa placement wall. The walls are repainted with light hazelnut shades that transform the entire house. So, this was about this 29 years old house transformation in Banashankari, Bangalore. For home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architecture, construction, and interior design. Please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.